everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see one of the most interesting and most useful component, rich text editor, which is very much useful in your day-to-day entry forms. So what is rich text editor? So in our context, in your entry form or your code base, you are going to enter some text formatting. For example, in your Word file, you are going to type something, you are typing a characters and you are just highlighting with the bold color, italic color, and you are just making it as a bullet points and numberings, and you are just writing some codings like SQL query or HTML query, or you are just italicizing. So what are the formatting options you are doing? You need to store the same formatted text in your database. So if you use text area, so you will not get these many specialized and functionalities or features, customized features to make this formatting and store the value in our DB table. So for handle this issue, here in Apex we have got some one page item called rich text editor. Using that, we can override these issues. So how to make use of that rich text editor and what are the features and functionality? So let us see in this video. So in this video, I just created a page rich text editor and I am going to create one page item. And I am going to make name it as RTE. And I am going to select that type as rich text editor. You can see rich text editor. So once you selected this rich text editor, I'm just naming it as something RTE itself. So I'm just clicking on this. So now the page is rendered. You can see here one text box has come. So this is the rich text editor. So rich text, from the name itself we can say it is like going to enhance the text formatting. So that is a rich text editor. It is like editing the text. So here you can type whatever you want. So for example, I am just typing welcome to Thanigai Solutions. So here this is a normal text. This you can enter in your page item text field or your text area. But what is the main use of this using this rich text editor is, suppose I want this welcome to Thanigai Solution, the Thanigai Solutions alone in a bold text. Then for that you can just select this text and click on this bold. So once you done, the text is bold, become bold. Then again with the bold it should be like italicized. So for that I am making this. So now it's like a bold and as well as slanted. So these two text formatting has applied to this text. At the same time, I am going to make some numberings like video 1, video 1, video 2, so kind of things. I am going to make a bullet points. For that I am just removing this and I click on the bullet points. So now you will see video 1, video 2, and click on this, you will get video 3. So like this numberings. And then I need to make or insert some link. So we are going to insert some link to our YouTube channel, like kind of thing. Then click on this link text, you will get the URL to paste. This is our YouTube channel link. So I just taken this URL. So once it is URL, I am just a link URL. So if you click on this, you will get this URL. So you will get this numberings, or if you click on that, it will be redirect, like it is represent the URL. Suppose if you want this, no need this, begin the scene it should be, then you can type like Thanigai Solutions YouTube channel. Then you just select this, click on this link, paste your URL link, then done. So now on clicking on this, you will get this URL. So this is the URL. So this will be visible. On clicking on this, this will be the URL. So or else, and this is one feature. Next, I'm going to, this is one of the most interesting. So in the text formatting, for example, I'm just making some documentation. At that time, I need, this is like technical documentation. I'm going to insert some code base or code thing. Then this should be not as a plain text. It should be rendered as a code. So for that, how we can do is, here you can see there are one code insert code block is there. You just click on this, you will get plain text, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and SQL. So these are the available option as of now. You just select SQL, so you will get that code block. Here you will get a code block and you can see SQL is marked. So from this you can write, like for example, select one from dual. So like this you can write your SQL query in the documentations base. This will be inserted as a code, not like a plain text. So from this you can just copy paste in your SQL editor to run this code. So this is one of the feature. So like this, and one more thing is, for example, you need to give some heading to this text. For that I'm just mentioning rich text editor, and I am just selecting here. Here you can see paragraph heading 1, 2, 3. So these headings can be applied. If you select this, then this will be like heading text. It will be heading will be added. So rich text editor, this is the heading. So likewise you can give paragraph to get a normal plain text. So these are the some formatting options available in the rich text editor. So using this you can write actual Word document what you are doing in the Word. So same text formatting with a limited text formatting you can apply it in here Oracle Apex using this rich text editor page item, and you can insert this exact formatting data into your database. So for this you need to use CLOB data type. You need to store this content value in a CLOB data type in your database table. So how you will get the value? So now we will console this and we will check how we are getting the value. I am going to create one button for that. I am just naming it as get value. So this is the button name I just kept. I am going to create one dynamic action, that is button click dynamic action. In the button click I am going to print that rich text editor value in a console. So for that, console.log apex item, the page rich text page item is P38 RTE, and use the get value. So on clicking on this button we are going to get that rich text editor value in a console. So now I'm just running this. Here you can see get value. I'm just make some bold on that, some apply some hot button, just applying hot. So now this get value button has come. So now I am going to open my console. For that, Control Shift I. So this will open this console. Otherwise you can just click on this browser, more tools and developer tools. Here you will open this console tab. Here you will get, on clicking on this button, here we will get the data. For example, the same thing I am going to make rich text editor. For that I am going to make it as heading H1, and next line I am going to make welcome to Tanigai Solutions, and I am going to make this as bold, come italicized. So now we just written 2 lines of data and we have just applied some formatting. So on clicking on this get value, how the data is coming, we will see that value in a console. So I'm just clicking on this get value. Here you can see in the console, I'm just zooming out. So here you can see the rich text editor, it is applied as heading. So it's like making as double hash. So it is marking this is a like a rich text editor in a heading 1. and welcome to text, and this is applied as bold. So bold is double star, so double star is bold, and this underscore is for italic formatting. So this is the markup. Mostly this is name it as markup language. So it will mark up the formatting using these symbols. So when we need to store this text as it is in our glob column in our table, then when we retrieve this value with these symbols, the same formatting will be applied to this glob. So I will show the demo. So I'm just copying the same value. I'm just copying, I'm just refreshing it. Now my content is went. Now just consider in the rich text editor, we have just stored that value with the same formatting in our glob data type. Now I'm going to retrieve that data, and I'm going to assign the value to this page item. So for that, you just scroll below. Here you will see default. You just select here, and here you can see SQL query return single value. From this you can just write your SQL query to fetch that glob column stored in a table. For time being I am just using static. So in the static I am just copying the value. The same thing like a double star, the spacing, everything what I copied I am just applied here. I am just saving here. Now as of now the page item is empty. Now I am going to run this page item. So you can see the text has come with the applied formatting. Previously we applied some formatting. So the same formatting, like this is like heading 1 and this is bold and italic. So all the styles are applied. So this is the advantage of using this rich text editor. It is very much useful when you are going to store or capture some code with this text formatting. So you can make use of it. This can be used in the comments or remarks. So what are the major things the user can enter? You can give this or use this page item to capture those data and store it in your table. Mostly it's preferred one is use glob data type column to store this value in your database table. So make use of this rich text editor whenever you just want it. Thank you.